Welcome at forextrading.com. Today is 10th February 2011. It is 14 minutes to 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we are talking about 14 minutes to European stock opening. Let's take a look at S&P contracts. Looks like the market is taking a small breath, but it doesn't feel comfortable at those lower levels. So what we can expect right now is market going a little bit lower and then probably test the same or similar level. We are in the zone which market can really test right now, but I'm not sure if the market's gonna go down here to those lower support resistance level. I think the market will test some kind of medium level at this point and will come back to the upside movement, but we'll see about that. Market tend to move both ways, and right now we are in the phase that the first wave moved over 400 pips and the second wave right here moved, let's check it out, about 300 pips movement. So we are talking about possible breath, some kind of bigger breath or retracement. I'm talking about something like this happened before. So please be cautious right now with entering the long positions, as we are looking forward to see another signal market feeling not too comfortable at those lower levels and coming back to the upside movement. Then I might be interested in coming back to the long position. Right now, the probability of the longer move is still much more bigger than any kind of retracement. I mean the sellout movement to the downside. At 4-hour chart, British pound chart, we are talking about the breakout from this triangle pattern, but we are specifically in uptrend movement looking at this chart. So you see there are not too many sellers coming in at the market at those levels, and I'm not surprised by that. So right now market is consolidating and it is not sure if it's going to go down a little bit more or it's going to move straight up to follow those uptrend moves from before. We'll take a look in 30-minute chart in a few seconds. And at 4-hour chart, euro dollar, couple of days ago I was talking that the sellers have been finished at the market. They've met important support resistance, and we can see more systematic or dramatic, we'll see, movement to the upside. And seem to me for a longer time of those 2 days we've seen a systematic movement, and right now yesterday we seen some more demand, so market pushed higher and right now is taking a small breath. We can see it at 30-minute chart. You see this situation right here from recent night and yesterday's evening. There are no big sellers coming in at the market, and right now market is 10 minutes before European stocks opening. So we might see some kind of uptrend movement after this opening. So at this point there are no strong sellers coming in the market. We see very small to medium size candles which are saying to us that we can't expect any strong downtrend movement. I'm not saying the market can't go lower. I'm saying the probability of uptrend movement is much more bigger right now looking at this wave than sellers coming in at the market. So please be cautious with any short positions at this point, but we'll see how it's going to happen after London opening. And British pound at 30-minute chart is in that stage that I'm very often saying that before London opening that it might be a reverse to a day trend move, like we see here, for example. Before London opening, an hour before, we see some kind of breakout to the downside. We've met support resistance, and the trend for the day could be possible an uptrend. I'm not saying the price will go higher. I'm saying it is very often seen that markets moving opposite way before London opening, and then reverse and move to the upside or downside whenever it was moving different direction before. So please be cautious with short position as well, because we see very important support resistance at 60.43. So I'm not sure if the market's going to break it. Either way, looking at 4-hour chart, we seen the last strongest wave was to the upside. This move right here wasn't sure, it was more systematic. So I am looking forward to buyers coming in at the market. I mean strong buyers. So please be cautious if you enter short position. Be aware that we might see in the future at some point strong buyers coming in at the market. I'm not saying at this particular time, because we don't see anything interesting right now. There is no pattern. There is no support resistance meeting right now. So the market is showing us exactly nothing at this point. So maybe during the day it will be something more interesting. It will behave in some kind of way that bring the interest to buyers or sellers to do some interesting action at the live market. At oil 4-hour chart, we see very interesting setup in this place right here. It is a market entry opportunity. Yesterday I was speaking about this at the Forex course classes. So we seen interesting setup and market pushed aggressively higher. This kind of situation are the key for medium and long-term trading. After retracement, we see beautiful shadow and market met demand, so buyers came into the market. Very interesting setup. We'll speak about this at live trade examples. And at gold, I've mentioned yesterday that we might see a real account entrance as well. That's what it happened. And I am keeping the transaction of the longs right now. The first part of the long transaction entered the market, and right now the stop is just below the point, but I might move it below some recent pattern, because the move you see doesn't have any dynamics. So it will be meeting new buyers coming into the market strongly, or it move to the downside systematically, I mean very slowly. No price dynamics to the downside. That means there are no significant sellers coming in at the market. That means my position is pretty much safe, or I can use bigger stop loss unless the dynamics of the move will move much more aggressively. So we're going to discuss this example of the trade in trade examples at forextrading.com as well. And I think that will be it for now. So please also remember about correlation between pound and dollar, euro dollar. Those main currency pairs are moving almost exactly the same in short term. So please be cautious when one of those currency pairs is moving aggressively lower and we want to enter the market at the other one in long position. Please be cautious, be aware that the opposite move might be brought to the downside as well, or the other currency will move higher, or they move in some kind of sideways move. So that will be it for now, for today. Thank you very much for listening. Hope to see you soon at more daily analysis. Thank you very much.